And then all my different badges with Welsh, and it's been great. Liked my experience here, and as you can see from around here, it's great facilities and how they do it. But mainly one thing that I take with me is that they let the coaches have their own identity. It's not that they have to be exactly like they get told to be. So I've experienced coaches from Galatasaray or from Benfica or from Man City or at Arsenal. Everybody has their take on how football should be played, but then you can listen and learn different things. And what I've heard at some other places, sometimes this is the way you coach and nothing else. They're open to get more information in, and that's what I really loved about here. And then of course they teach you a lot of different things and seeing the individual and all these details, but the main thing I take with it was they were open-minded and that football can be interpreted in different ways.